Today we want to perform a small experiment with some ordinary ingredients to create the effect of a lava lamp. For that experiment you need the following devices and ingredients. First of all, a transparent bottle, which can be a glass bottle or a plastic bottle, but it has to be transparent. Then just simple ordinary water, cooking oil, food color that you can buy from the market. In this case we use blue color, but you can also choose any other color that you prefer, maybe green or red. Then you need carbon tablets, at least one, but you can also choose as many as you like. And what is also important is a funnel which you need in order to fill the ingredients into the bottle. First you have to insert the funnel into the bottleneck and fill in the water until a few centimeters of the lower part of the bottle is covered. In the next step you have to fill in the cooking oil until the bottle is almost completely full. But it is preferable not to fill it up to the upper edge in order to avoid a lot of mess in the final part of our experiment. The density of the oil is smaller than the one of water, therefore the oil swims on top. Due to the fact that oil is highly hydrophobic, it does not mix with water. However, it is recommended to wait around 30 minutes before starting the experiment to make sure that the oil and the water have been separated sufficiently. Now we can remove the funnel and insert a few drops of the food color into the bottle. Because the density of the food color is higher than the one of oil, it sinks down and there mixes with the water. Now we can start the experiment by inserting the carbon tablet into the water. For that reason we have to divide it into two parts, just in order to be able to push it through the bottleneck. And as soon as the carbon tablets reaches the water, the lava lamp effect starts. You can also increase the effect by inserting more carbon tablets. The explanation for this phenomena is just the reaction of the carbon tablet with the water. During this reaction, CO2 is created, a gas which moves up, and during this process some of the water with the food color is also taken upwards. When the gas then leaves the oil and also the bottle, the heavier water with the food color sinks down again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please subscribe this channel, and I hope to see you for the next video.